Hi, I'm Simon from Motodrome. Now behind me here is a 1991 SAAB 900 T16 Carlsson, and it is a genuine Carlsson. Two videos, one walk around, one driving, plus a bit of starting and idling action at the beginning of the driving video. Hope you like them. Okay, let's take a walk around this 1991 SAAB 900 Carlsson, and it is a genuine Carlsson. Obviously finished in red. The majority were red, black or white. This is obviously the red one, and it's got the full Carlsson spec on it, as you can see. Now this one has done over 260,000 miles, so if that puts you off, then look away now, shall we say. But it was fully restored in 2013 at 231,000 miles, including replacement engine. Also had a replacement gearbox. I've driven it about 100 miles or so, and yeah, it's still in absolutely fine fettle, and it certainly looks in superb order. It really does. Anyway, let's get down to some detail work. One or two very minor stone chips around the front end, just on the front apron and stuff down here, but the whole proper Carlsson front bumper is all in good shape. Paint does look quite vibrant on this one. There are a couple of tiny bubbles just there on the leading edge of the bonnet. Looking down the near side, very straight and tidy down there. No scrapes on the front bumper corner. Near side front wheel looks to be in pretty good shape. No corrosion coming up on the bonnet edge there, where they do tend to go. Down there, it's all good. Up here on the scuffle, a couple of paint chips just there. And we have got, just on in the driver's eye line, there's a chip that's been injected and filled in. Hasn't bothered the MOT man because of that. Near side mirror is all good. Near side door, all good. Roof and the sunroof does work. Electric roof. Just a couple of water spots. No, that's all nice. Near side rear wing. It's all good. Near side rear wheel has got a couple of marks on it inside the rim, but no more than that. The aero vent is all good. Thought I saw a small chip there, but I can't see it now. Electric aerial does work. Excuse me. Around here, it's all very nice. Oh, let's go back to the interior. Interior is very... that door's locked. I'll have to do it from the other side. In fact, no, I'll stop the video for a minute and I'll come back and do that again. Right, here we are back in it. That's one thing to bear in mind, actually. The central locking doesn't work on it. You have to open and close the locks manually. No great hardship though. Let's take a look down there. All looks good, and the bottom of the door looks fine. Interior wise, very good indeed. It's got the optional leather in it, with the front seats having the Alcantara inserts there. Dash top is very good. No big cracks in it or anything. And one of the Achilles heels on 900s is the headlining. This one has obviously been replaced fairly recently because it's not showing any signs of sagging. Seats are in good shape. It's got the extra dials down there. Dash is all nice, got the proper Carlsson wheel. The interior is very good, it really is. Belies its mileage, in fairness. Right, let's go back around here. All nice around the tail end. Correctly, it's got the holes in the ducktail for drainage. This one's also got a dog guard in it and a load liner. Both are removable, and we have got the rear headrest. They can't fit when you've got the dog guard in. We have got the rear headrest for it. Looks like the original number plates, which perhaps getting a bit past their best now. Looking down the offside, again, totally straight and tidy down there. Really can't criticise much on the bodywork at all. It's very, very good indeed. This offside rear wheel is all nice. Up here it's all good. In fairness, considering it was obviously repainted, what, 12, 13 years ago, it's in excellent order. A couple of chips on the offside mirror, but again, all looking good there. And the wheel all looking good. And then we'll go back to inside. Driver's door, show you the bottom edge there, and the A post. Driver's seat, a little bit of scuffing just on the very bottom corner there, where they always always wear, but it hasn't gone through yet. A couple of splits in the stitching just up here though, on there. Excusable given the mileage, in fairness, which is just over 260,000. Show you that headlining again. But yeah, cracking car, really is. All the panel fits are good. Anyway, I hope you like it. I most certainly do. Quite happy if we don't sell this, actually. I'll just keep running it. My name is Simon. You can reach me in the office on 0118 907 1495. Or you can go to our website, which is www.motodrome.com for any more information.